Welcome back to Building for Generations. It is Tenacious Dudley, your Tenacious Badass, in the house today. It is April the 3rd, 2022 already. Time is flying by. What are you doing with your time? Are you making your dreams reality? Time, being too cautious is the greatest risk of all. Make your dreams reality now. Time is a number one currency. Make sure you use it now. Without commitment, you will never start. More importantly, without consistency, you will never finish. Do more in this life. Welcome back to Building for Generations. I am here alive in the present with you on our journey to 3,000 strong limitless business leaders who will stop at nothing with building wealth for themselves and their family. So today we are here on our Sunday Funday, and we're going to do a little talking about business tax tips. We have been knocking out tax returns left and right with the help of my staff and my VAs. They've been helping us out pretty good. And we've been knocking it out of the park. So if you guys are interested, go ahead and check out our website here at DudleyAccountingServices.com. If you guys are needing to file your tax return, your personal tax return 1040s, by our deadline, our new deadline is April the 18th, 2022. It is not the 15th. It is April the 18th, 2022. It's a deadline for 1040s. So make sure you get your 1040 in. If you're married, if you're married filing separately, married filing jointly, get with your spouse or significant other or a person you're just living with. You got, you probably married to them and you got this situation. Definitely get it done, get it out the way. We have a client portal here on our website that we set you guys up pretty good where we ask you a couple of questions and you upload your documents, you upload your prior year tax return to start your tax file. It's pretty easy. So check out our website at theaccountingservices.com where we are building for generations. So today we want to talk about a little bit about business tips for business owners. Me in particular, this is one of my uh, Airbnb short-term rentals, and this is just a makeup of just an example. I want to show you guys what a profit and loss statement looks like, right? And this is what you put in your Schedule C. Schedule C if you are a regular business owner who actively participates in producing income for the business, or if you're a passive business owner where you have rental properties and you really don't provide substantial services, or you really don't actively participate in your business to where your income will go on a Schedule E, which is for rental activity. So this is my rental activity for 2021. We're able to link up our bank accounts here, and we're able to create these bucket sales, the different units that we have, the different expenses that we have. We drop each expense and assign it to its particular bucket. This takes a little bit of time. It takes monthly bookkeeping if you guys have a lot of stuff going on. So definitely get with your accountant. Hire people out. You can do it by yourself, at first, but like hire people out. It takes up so much of your time, I would say. But hire people out, and you get to catalog pretty much all of your expenses throughout the year in this nice fancy profit and loss statement. Some business tips, especially for people in real estate, you guys want to definitely have uh, good financial statements for your Schedule E to where you don't pay any tax, because we don't want to pay tax because most of the benefit do go to those people who own rental property. So we want to use depreciation expense. We want to use all types of travel, utilities. I know our Airbnb, we had a lot of supplies that we needed to get to clean up the yard, freaking a lot of things from Home Depot, as you guys can see. But a lot of things that keep up the house, right? So you want to go ahead and write those things off. You don't want to not have, proper financial statements so you can categorize and really validate your expenses. Is what we want to do. We want to validate our expenses by definitely keeping our receipts, but also going down to our net income. We want to possibly have a little net income, right? Because we have other income streams coming in. Our active W-2 income is coming in. So this net income, if it's negative, we can carry it forward to the next year to when we have a profit and wipe that profit out with the carry forward rule. We carry forward this loss indefinitely until we want to dump this bucket out of losses onto profits for the upcoming years. So it's very essential to keep good financial statements. Most importantly, profit and loss statement for the tax year that you're in. If you guys are needing if you guys are needing profit and loss statements drafted, you have to go ahead and get on that calendar here. We are doing QuickBooks cleanups, so it takes us about 3 to 4 days to link up all of your information. We'll take your bank and credit card statements, and we'll take that and we'll link your bank accounts to QuickBooks. We'll set you up with a free trial on QuickBooks so you don't have to worry about anything. And then we'll clean your books up. And we'll have your chart of accounts tailored to your particular business. So definitely hit us up for that so we can show our expenses and validate our expenses so that we can input those in the Schedule C the right way. So you can get your taxes filed and you can take the most deductions. Um, and when you have proper financial statements. So definitely get on our calendar here at Building for Generations for a 10 to 15-minute discovery call to figure out if you're aligned with us, see if you are Tenacious Badass. So only badasses only. I always say I'm a nerd, whatever, but badasses only. People who kind of go after it, people who hit that wall every day but still keep going, right? People are, adversity hits you, but you keep on going. So I want to inspire you to keep on going, and I'm definitely going myself. We just got over a seasonal flu myself, but I'm keeping it pushing, keeping going. So you definitely stay blessed, you tenacious badass, and I'll see you guys next week. Peace.